Ayan guys, another day, another vlog. So may unbox ako dito. Ayan, may unbox ako dito. Guess what kung ano? Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Sa bonggang pa-birthday sa akin. Thank you so much kung sino ka man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na-expect guys. Super ganda, super ganda, super ganda. So, ito na siya. Open natin. Tada! Thank you so much sa bonggang pa-birthday. Thank you so much. So, i-unbox natin. Ayan. Thank you so much. Kita nyo ba? Wait lang, kita nyo ba? Walang patungan eh. Ay, ito. Ayan. Tcharan! Look at this. Ayan. Look at this. Ayan, yan, 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 yan. Purple. So, bibilhan na natin ng case. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Open natin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you so much. Ah. Thank you so much, so. Thank you so much. Antayin lang natin. Thank you sa mga nag-sponsor sa birthday ko. Ready na, naka-open na, diba? Ayan, thank you so much. Ito, ayan, okay na, ready na, ready na. Sa kompleto na to. Tara, kompleto yan, guys. Kompleto. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ito. Ayan. Then, ang previous nito is headset, case, at saka ano ba isa, yung handle, at saka yung isa pa, hindi ko na alam. Yun lang guys, yun lang guys. So, thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Thank you so much. Thank you, love it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye! Hindi ko na i-reveal kung magkano. Sakit, masakit sa dibdib. Masakit sa dibdib. Bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. Thank you sa regalong napakaganda at napakamahal. Bye-bye.